So you are concerned about privacy on TikTok? Let me show you how to make all of your TikTok videos private. So first you have to open up your TikTok and go to your profile. Here you will see all your posted videos. So if you only have a few videos, you can make them private one by one. So just open any video, tap on the three dots and go to privacy settings. So here you have to make it only you to make your videos private. But if you have a lot of videos and you want to make them private all at once, here the easiest way, so you just have to tap on hamburger menu on your profile, then go to settings and privacy. So now from here, go to activity center and tap manage post visibility. So here you will see all of your videos in one place. Select all videos, then tap next, and then you have to choose who can see them. So from here, if you want only the people you follow and who follow you back to see your videos, you can set the visibility to friends. But if you don't want anyone to see your videos at all, just choose only you and then update the settings. And that's it. All your videos are now private and only you can watch them. Your profile feed will appear empty to others, which keeps your content completely safe. I hope this can help you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.